This is Dyandra Audio Production. Sumber dadi mantuk Lamongan. This is Dyandra Audio Production. Sumber dadi mantuk Lamongan.